So today we're going to see how we can add WordPress to our Bluehost account. So we've logged into our Bluehost account. We'll go to My Sites and Create Site. We'll put in a site name, and a site tagline, and then we'll click Next. We'll choose a domain. It already has our domain that's on the account filled in, so this particular account just has one domain. If you have more than one, you'll choose the domain you want to add WordPress to. And if you don't know anything about directory, just ignore it. You can choose which free plugins you want, like WP Forms, which is a great one, and so on. I'm just going to leave all of them. I can always deactivate and delete them later if I decide I don't really want them. I'll hit Next. And now WordPress was installed. And that's all we have to do. We don't have to do anything crazy technical, any coding, nothing like that. Bluehost handles it for us. And we have our information about this is where we can go to log in, and we'll use whatever username they give us, whatever password. They also email it to you, so if you forget, you can write it down, which is great, but you can also just check your email. And that's it. Thank you.